Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
And welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, the place of home fine craft ales. If you haven't been before, this is my world famous brother Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello everyone.
Alright folks.
And today, bro, we're talking actually not about beer kits.
What?
Well, we are in a certain kind of way, but we're really talking about, this is a follow-on video from that day I spent with my Brew Devil.
Oh, brewing outside it was.
I'm brewing outside of the Dog and Partridge there with my Brew Devil, trying to make another ghost ship alike.
Ghost ship alike. See now, if you're like me, I don't actually make my own beer. He does that, and I just drink it.
Yeah.
But when I'm at home, I have to drink sort of commercial beers that you buy in the shops, don't you?
Yeah.
And ghost ship is one of my faves.
Yes, I must admit, if I'm out and about and I see a ghost ship anywhere, I do try and
It's a
head
nice
straight to it.
citrusy, punchy beer, isn't it?
As a good commercial beer, yeah.
Yeah.
One of her faves, really, to be fair. That's why I try to recreate it.
So we're doing a bit of a special one-off comparison, aren't we?
Yeah. So, first off, we're going to just tell folks, I've been on Brewer's Friend, got a recipe there, and then changed it.
So he's customised it for his own recipe basically. So you've got a ghost ship clone thing. So you can go on these websites and download recipes. Look, there's a bit of all of it on there.
Mr. whatever his name is, Bassett, what is he calling himself?
Ghost ship clone Bassett, established 2019 in King Lucky. Oh, that sounds almost
Sounds American or something, doesn't it? But anyway, I got his recipe, downloaded it and printed it off.
Oh, yeah.
But then I added some more hops, and then I changed the malts to crystal malts, etc.
You've got different malts in there, slightly different hops in it. So you've basically come up with your own recipe, haven't you?
Basically, based on somebody else's ideas. Yeah.
Cool.
So if you're watching my video there, this has like something like 80 years, 100 grams of Cascade in it, Citra in it, and now I put Amarillo in it as well. And that's what I did. It's ready to drink.
Yes, So you've got Amarillo in it and you've got Citra in it.
Oh yeah, I went across Get Her Brewed. I went on their custom build kit. So if you go on their custom kit, you can build your own recipes, you can tick your box, you can add whatever you want. Really.
Anything you want, man. I mean, it
The
gives you a whole list of what you ordered.
Extensive.
You know, your base malts, your caramel malts, hops, yeast. You can specify just about everything you want in there. It's great. It's great.
And it comes in. You got your bag of grain already weighed, already crushed. All you do is just add it to your Brew Devil days. You see them doing the videos. Add your hops at certain times. I did actually dry up mine on day 5 with some more Citra as well.
Okay.
But first off, this is the legendary ghost ship. Now, talking about legends and people and such thing, I, as you can see, ordered a bar runner from the said place, Adnams Ghost ship.
It's just down there out of the shot, just about. But there you go.
But when ordering something,
Yes.
I politely asked for a pump clip to be included with the. Yeah. So I got a flat no.
Oh.
So as far as customer service and relations go from Adnams, zero.
Got to look after the people that drink it, mate.
Yeah. People that drink it.
Right. So, you probably all know what his tastes like if you're a beer bloke, but you know.
It's good, citrusy, cascadey kind of. You can already tell what hops it's got in it, can't you?
As soon as you smell Citra up in a beer, you know it's there, don't you? It's like, yeah. It's fab. It's a nice commercial beer.
Yeah.
It's probably one of the better commercial beers you're going to get.
Good citrus dry note.
Wow.
A good dry bitterness at the back of the tongue.
Only much so after you drank it, yeah. Yeah. And that's why
you drink it.
That's why I drink it at home, because it's good.
Beer.
Yeah, it's good. That's great remember me, that is, I'll tell you now. So, moving on.
How does it compare to the Dog and Partridge's very own ghost ship?
Well, you see now, I don't know if you can see that. It depends what light you're getting. In some lights it looks quite a lot of different colour, and then other lights it doesn't look too bad. But yours is lighter.
I reckon mine's a lot lighter.
It is a lot lighter. It's a similar sort of smell.
It's got that ghost ship smell straight off, and with the Citra and the Cascade combined, it's just got that smell straight away of ghost ship.
Yeah. Shall we go in?
Shall we go in?
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my God.
Oh my Lord. You know what? I'm going to be controversial. That is not ghost ship anymore. It's something better.
It's something better. Yeah, it's similar to Ghost Ship. It's along the style, but it's not Ghost Ship. It's not exactly like Ghost Ship. It is.
At this point, I would offer my brother a handshake, but I'm actually going to say that is better than a handshake. That is fantastic.
It's fantastic, isn't it? We have created the holy grail of beers in the
And on that basis, we can't call it Ghost Ship.
No, we'll have to call it something else.
So what are we going to call it then, bro?
Get off! Get off! It's off. It's not Ghost Ship.
So it's not Ghost Ship anymore. It's a new beer.
It's a new beer. We've created a new beer. It's going to be award-winning, better than Ghost Ship.
Yes, and I've already come up with an idea, so I've got to do a bit of hard work for it.
What are we going to call it?
I'm thinking, well, in a Ghost Ship style, and the fact we like Iron Maiden, Run the Ancient Mariner. There you go.
It's an Run the Ancient Mariner.
Oh, yes. If you want a pint, just pop in.
Oh, that's good. That is good.
I will go as far as to say that is one of the best things you've ever made, mate. That is fantastic. And this is a full grain kit, obviously.
Full grain kit. You see me doing it in the Brew Devil.
It's not really a kit, it's because you've customised it.
Yeah,
It's only recipe.
custom. You can only get. You can only. You know. You can buy your grains. Did see on there. The grains, me hops and whatnot. Often get it brewed. This recipe, this kit, if you like to say, came in at just over 15 quid.
40 pints?
40 pints.
You'd be daft not to make it. And especially how damn good it is. How strong do you think it is?
The guy on there
Yeah.
says his was 4.8, which is slightly stronger than Ghost Ship.
Okay.
I think it's slightly stronger than that as well.
Yes. It tastes that. Oh, my little cheeks are already a bit rosy.
I didn't actually put my tilt hydrometer in it, so
okay.
I can't tell you exactly what.
Well, it's a 10 out of 10 for me, bro.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Simple as that.
Simple as that.
Yeah.
That's about it today, though, bro.
It was a quickie one-off, but it's damn good.
Damn good.
What's coming next time, bro?
Well, again, it's the same as what was waiting for last time.
Oh, rightio.
We're going to have some Batham's bitter.
Oh.
We're going to have Guinness, and we're going to maybe have a New Zealand IPA, maybe not.
That big day is soon approaching, which we all like to celebrate and have lots of beer. So we're hoping for some of those at Christmas, aren't we?
We might be, if it's ready, having a fireside special winter
Ooh,
ale.
I say. Right, yeah. Okay. Well, look out for that on the next video.
Look out for that one. If you are watching this on Facebook, please subscribe to our YouTube
yes,
channel. It's very much
We
appreciated.
keep creeping up, don't we, bro?
You keep creeping up. It's very much appreciated.
Yeah,
Thank you very much. And we'll be back. So I think it's about a goodbye from you.
And it's a goodbye from him.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.